Okay, see how to go to multi-strike OIS. See, simple, you have to go to Sensible. Okay, click on this analyze and you have something called multi-strike OI. So you have to just click on this multi-strike OI. This is going to be like very tricky. Okay, so okay, let me take you to the chart. Okay, let me show you the view of the market. Okay, let me delete all this. Okay, so this is your start, right? Market closed somewhere here. We all know, right? Market closed somewhere here yesterday, and today we add a gap up, and then then market went up, it came down, market went up, it came down, and then market expired somewhere here. All right, so this is very important. The reason why I'm showing you is like this we need to correlate with the option chain. So now basically what I'll do, I'll take you to the I'll take you to the multi-strike OI analysis. Okay, now where was the market standing, right? Market so today market, when market has opened, so let's say at 9:15 candle, guys, please stop all your questions and just stay focused, because this will help you like anything, be it your intraday or be it your positional trade. This will help you like anything. Okay, so let me stay focused, do not put any questions, and just watch this video. If you do not like, even you can put the negative comments also. I'm okay for that. I'll do my best in terms of explaining, right? Market opened at 9:15. Check this bottom, 9:15. Market was somewhere at 18,100. Check this price, right? 18,100, the horizontal line. Okay, one second, what is that? Okay, right now 9:15 and 9:20 candle, check, the market was again still playing at 18,100. So now what I'll try to do, I'll go to Sensible. Okay, so 18,000 was the price which it was trading. Okay, 18,100 basically. Now what I'll try to do, okay, see, I am selecting 18,100 PE. Okay, and then what I'll do, I'll select 18,100 CE. That's it. Alright friends, so I'm selecting 18,100 at the money. So wherever the market was standing at 9:15 and 9:20, I'm just selecting that strike, one call and one put. So because I have to show you, right, how does the this thing, right? Now what I'll do, I'll take you to the intraday, right? You have to click on the intraday, because if you do not click on the intraday, it will show you like 27th October and then 28th, right? We are discussing about only today's market condition, so I have to select this intraday. Now so this black color line is the market momentum, Nifty. Just see the thumbnail, see the colors, right? This red color is call, this red color is call, friends. This blue color is put, this black color is what? The black color is your market. So do I have the option of removing the market? Okay, let me do one thing. So what you can do is like add new, say add new. I'll select the same thing, right? I'll select this one and 18,100 and 18,100 call. Let me select on this thing. One second friend, give me a second. Rather than using this thing, I wanted to just remove. Okay, what I want to do is, okay, now, right, the same thing, I've taken 18,100 CE, 18,100 PE, because I wanted to show you one more time, because market, when market opened at 9:15 or 9:20, this was the ATM. So for example purpose, I've taken the ATM. Now let me take you back to this thing. So what I'll try to do, I'll just remove this black color Nifty, because I don't want to see the Nifty. Now this is called your multi-strike OI. Okay, check the blue line. The blue is PE and the red is CE. That's it. You have to just watch. Blue resembles put and red resembles your call. Okay, if I over the mouse here, check the put open interest. It is 624k when the market started at 9:15, meaning from yesterday, right, that got carry forward to today at 9:15. At 9:15 the put open interest was 6.24k, but check at the call. See, if I move my cursor, right, that that will get disappear. So I wanted you to focus, right? Again I'm putting the cursor here. Check the what do we say, one second, yeah, call open interest built up, that is 3.34 million open interest. Okay, which got carry forward from yesterday. That's it. Looking at the chart, it clearly shows that the blue line kept going up starting from 9:15 till at this point, so check this time here, till 12 o'clock, 12:15, there was a constant increase in put OI built up. That means ideally, right, whenever there is a at the money, so market was bullish, maybe sideways to bullish, because that clearly shows when we started the day at 9:15, call is above, call is on the top and put is on the bottom, okay, based on yesterday's open interest. But as and when the market, see 9:15, I'll take you to the 9:20, okay, 9:20, slowly. See, I mean, friends, don't get bored, right? So I'll reiterate many times, because there will be like new traders also. Try to understand. First, check your first concentrate only on put open interest. For now, forget about the call. So initially, when we started at 9:15, your call built up was 624k. At 9:20, check what happened. At 9:20, from 624k, it has increased to 2.54 million. That clearly shows that market should have been bullish. Okay, I'll take you to the 9:30, 9:35. So from what was that? From 2.94, it has increased to 4.39 million. Forget about the call. I'm not even discussing about the call. Again, let me take you back to maybe like 10:20. So 10:20, 6.71 million. So the open interest started building up on at the 18,100 strike. Check it. You have the strike, you have the put next to it, and you have also the open interest. So let's see what happened. So it made a high of almost 8.35 million open built up there on the put side. So whenever we have the more open interest on the put side, that clearly shows that market will go up, right? Market has to go up, because why do we sell the put? We sell the put with an intention of market will stay above on the strike price. It will act as a very strong support. I cannot say bullish, but as and when we see huge open interest getting built up at put, means market is going up. So now what happened to your call, dear? What happened to your call? Call was having 3.34 million built up at 9:15. Yes, even, right, that's the reason we keep on telling, right, from 9:15 to 9:30 or 9:40, you should not be doing any adjustments, because market is uncertain during that time, right? Majority of the people, they'll start booking their profit. Whoever has sold call, put or bought by it the previous day at 3:20, so they will be like doing their profit booking, or they will be like booking their loss. Too many things gets into those like 9:15 to 9:30. That's the reason I do not do any adjustments during 9:15 to 9:30. Okay, now check the call built up from 3.34 million. Your call open interest also got increased to almost like 4.90. At this point, do you see the put as there is a crossover, right? Until this point, the call was on the above. See, again I'll show you that. Until this point, check at the red color. The call is, so I'll start with 9:15 again, right? Now call is above, so call is dominating the put, obviously, right? If I take to 9:20, still the call is dominating the put, because call is above. Right, at 9:20, I'll take you to the 9:25. Still the call is dominating the put, though there is a huge build-up getting accumulated at the put, but still the call is dominating the put. 9:30, right? This is where almost there is a chance of crossover. 9:30, still call is dominating the put, but we see huge build-up on the put side. Now at 9, maybe at 9:40. It's almost net, right? Now what happened at 9:50? Suddenly the put started dominating. So what is the takeaway from this video is, if you can just put the same strike, so that will help you in terms of knowing the market view. This is one of the secret weapon for all the intraday traders. And do you see this guy called Shreyas Bandi, right? I've seen few of his videos. He uses this multi-strike OI analysis to some extent, but I'll show you. I'm just showing you with the at the money. I'll add, right, OTM. I'll add one OTM and the other OTM. Let's stay with me, right? First I'm starting with very basic, so you should know. Now what happened at let's say 10:05, your put has taken over, right? Your put has taken over on the call. Okay, so let's see. And now let's see at what happened at this point, right? At exactly 11:05, put has taken over. All of a sudden, if you look at this call side, right, even that started going up. And strange thing, right, even put is going up, right? Again, I'll take you back from here. The call was dominating, so until here then your put was dominating, but starting from here, if you look at the curve of your put and your call, both started going up. But who is dominating currently? Now put is dominating. So you all know where. Can you please tell me the tentative? I just wanted to check your this thing. Can you please tell me where exactly the call has overtaken the put, starting from 11:15? At what time the call has taken over the put? because I want it to be like more interactive. We have just discussed only about 5% so far. Can someone at least, looking at the chart, looking at the crossover, can someone please tell me like where exactly your call has given the crossover to your put? So the call started into the lead position. I'm just expecting the response from you guys. And believe me, if someone takes it very seriously, right, this is going to make your trading very easy. I'm just showing you with the add the money. I'll show you how to add like another like OTM also. So then you guys will get to know. Someone want to answer 1 p.m. Someone says 1 p.m. right? 1:15 exactly. At least, yeah. At least someone, at least 3 to 4 folks are like attentive. Okay, that's good. Now, okay, I'll show you with your chart analysis also. I mean, stay with me. Okay, now this is where like your call built up was, see, your call was leading, your call was leading, your call was leading, call was leading on top of your put, right? This is where, now check this, there is all of a sudden huge reduced in the put OI built up, but there was a drastic increase in the call. So that's where you see that the call, the puts is coming down. If you look at the curve, the put is coming down. If you look at the call, the put is the calls are going up. So somewhere here, see, from 8 million call, it reduced to almost like 7.83 million, but the call has increased. Right, check the call was 5.4. So let me write, 8 million was put and call was 5.2 million, but now your call has increased to 6.11 and your put has decreased from 8 to 7, and this is where your call has taken the lead. And then see, there is a so whenever we have the overlapping, right, that, so what does the overlapping mean, friend? Now tell me, right, you from this position till this position, right, there is an overlapping. So what does that overlapping mean? Can someone tell me what does that overlapping mean? Is the market bullish during this period, or the market was bearish, or the market was sideways? Quickly, Pramod says sideways. Okay, so this is the way you have to do the analysis. Okay, now let me compare it with the your chart. Okay, so let me show you, friend, let me show you. I'm on mobile, right? So from until almost like 10:55 until like 11 o'clock, we have seen a rally. Okay, this almost made a rally of 0.5%, like 0.5%. We already had a gap up, and then market went until 11 o'clock, it made a 0.5% gap up. So let's see what happened from 9:15 to 11 o'clock. It clearly shows, right? See, this is where, see, I'll take you to the 11 it's like 10:55. This, if I put a marker somewhere here, right, if I put, this is 11:15, right, that's it. So now check it, right? Put was number 2, call was number 1, but what happened, as and when slowly, right, the moment people saw that there was a gap up and maybe there could be like all the FIs or your DIs or your data operators and the retailers thought maybe the market is going up, so they might have sold the puts, or they might have, see, and there is the other thing also, right, they might have bought the calls also. So let's take that as a separate session, right? Now at 11 o'clock, right, until 11 o'clock, we see huge increase in the put built up, right? Though this was like number 1, it went up and then slowly it started falling. So now your number 1 is your put and the call is number 2. Got it? So now let me show you the graph again one more time. So what happened from 11 o'clock till, let me show you. Okay, so from 11 o'clock, maybe from 11 o'clock till almost like 1:30, right? 11 to 1:30, we clearly see that market was falling, right? We clearly see it almost made a 0.62%. It went up and then it slowly came down. So now looking at this chart, let me know what could have happened during this time period. What could have happened during this time period? Do you see more of put build-ups or more of call build-up? Can you please let me know? During almost from 11 o'clock till almost like 1 p.m. Call build-up was increased or put build-up got increased, or else can I say call build-up was increasing and the put build-up was decreasing? See writing absolutely. Okay, so now let me show you. Okay, so from from almost like 11. Okay, so see, that doesn't mean, sir, even at 11 o'clock, even if the market was falling, right, ideally the put build-up decreased. Yeah, ideally the call build-up started increasing. See, that's right, correct. I mean, exactly at 11 o'clock, see, you see there is an increase in call build-up, which is absolutely makes sense, because looking at the graph, market was falling, so this is bound to happen. This is bound to happen. Point number one. But why the put is also increasing is the biggest question, right? This is where the uncertainty comes, right? This is where this is expected, but why again the put interest also? So all of a sudden from this position, right, maybe people might have went for like huge what do we say, right, going for the put selling, thinking that market can go up, so suddenly market started testing. So maybe during from this time till this time, whoever has went long, so they might have started squaring up their position. So that's the reason we see all of a sudden decrease here. One second, let me tell it. So from here there is a decrease in put interest. So maybe people who might have went long during this time, right, people like you, me, right, we know, right, whenever the market is going up, we see the market is going up, so we also sell the put. So the moment we sell the put, right, the market started coming down, so then you see that put open interest got decreased, right, and there is a huge increase in the call built up. Okay, so what happened, why this is sideways? So let me check the market. Almost from 140 till almost like 240, right, was market sideways. 140, let me delete this. Yeah, see, 140 till almost like 240, market was sideways. Do you see this? Market was always sideways. Okay, now what I'll do, we have seen only with one ATM, right? Now the time comes, I'll say add remove strikes. I'll go for one OTM put. Okay, I'll go for one OTM call, and let me go for one OTM put, and let me go for one OTM call. Okay, let me say done. Okay, so we have this position. Okay, what I'll do, so we have just tried it with 18,100, right? So let me uncheck all this thing. So now let's do the same analysis by having this Nifty. Let's do the same analysis by having this Nifty. So the black color line is Nifty. So we have discussed about the blue color put and the red color. Now I'll just give you like 10 seconds. You check the Nifty. The black color line is Nifty. So whenever the Nifty goes up, obviously the put interest will go up. Whenever the Nifty is coming down, so you see the put interest will start declining and the call interest will go up. So I'll not talk much. I'll just give you 20 seconds. You read the chart. You read the chart now by combining the Nifty view, and then we'll go for the one or two OTMs. Simple, friends. Right? Read the chart. I'll give you like 30 seconds or 40 seconds. And meanwhile, please guys, let me know so far, are you able to understand or not? Is it too complicated, right? This is going to help you like anything for your intraday, and also this will help you in terms of managing your positional trades. This is the way I manage my positional trades. I'll tell you, right? See, within 30 minutes I cannot tell you each and everything, right? So I've been like very patient. I've been like very slow. See, if I want, I could have made like 10 minutes videos, and the rest I could have charts from you guys saying that I'll make this thing, right? I'm just, see, no one will make, see, honestly, I've not seen like any of the YouTuber like making all this, honestly, I'm not sure whether they might have done, but I've not seen. Only I've seen like Shreyas Bandi. He made only 5 or 10 minutes of video. He did not discuss so much of in-depth, Okay, great guys, great. At least I mean, you guys are able to understand. So now what I'll do, I think you have seen, right? So now I'll again deselect this thing, because what I'll do, I'll select one more time. So 18,100, right? So what I'll do, I'll go for 18,150, and then 18,100, like I'll go for 18,050, right? That's it, right? This is, see, needless to say, right? Needless to say, the same thing. And top of that, I've had one OTM for put, one OTM for call. That's it. I've not done any magic. Now check, right? Who is in the race? Obviously, who is in the race? First two calls are in the race. Okay, now slowly I'll over my mouse and we'll see like who will win the race. Okay, now see again, I mean, how should I show you? Can I take the screenshot? I cannot see. Now look at the 18,100 is top, 18,150 C is second, 18,100 P is third, and 18,050 P is fourth. Slowly I'll over it to this thing, right? Still see, now check the put. See now, okay, let me, right? So now two calls are dominating two puts. The moment we go here, so now see, the put 18,100 started dominating. So now there is a tug of war between 18,100 and 18,100, right? And let me take you to now check slowly, right? Slowly the put will overtake the C now. See, now the put has overtake the C. So now put is one on the top, call is on the second. There is still the third call, which is third, and put. So let me show you like where exactly. So let me see, slowly I'm moving, right? Put is one, call is second, third is put. Now see, check, the call went down. So when we started, both the calls were on the top, but at here your put, call, and then your put and call. You let me know what was the market condition. It clearly shows that out of three, your market might be bullish here. So this is the way it will help you in terms of managing your positional trade. Let's say you have taken an iron fly, you can just put all your legs here. Let's say, what is iron fly? Basically to a straddle and your bot position. So you can just put all your positions, you can select your positions and just put the what do we say, multi-strike OI analysis, and you can just do the analysis based on 10 minutes, 20. As a positional trader, it is not required for us to do like aggressive, but for someone who is doing like intraday straddle, strangle, right, they can just do it. So this will give you an indication rather than me going to the option chain. Option chain will not give you that realistic picture, right? We have seen option chain as all the graphs and everything, but this multi-strike OI will give you. Again, I will take you to the 30 minutes, right? Let's see like whether again the put went down, right? Because what did I say? During that particular time, right, until 11 o'clock market went up. So that's the reason. P is 1 now, C is second, again P is third, C is 4, and then from 1:30, right, from 11 o'clock till 1:40 the market was going down. So slowly see, the call has started dominating. Then the put of 1850 went down, but still the put of 1800 is on the top. So now let me take you to this crossover. Now see, the call has taken the precedence. Now the call is winning now. Second is your put, third is your call. So out of three, two calls are there. That means there are like huge built up on the call. So when we have huge built up on the call, what does that resemble? Market is bearish. Okay, so let me show you, like if I take you to now end of the day, what happens is like end of the day during last 30 minutes, right, majority of the times you will see everything getting fall, everything will go down, because I'll tell you one thing, right, why that will go down is, I mean, even I'm not sure whether I'm right or wrong. Let me show you. What happens is, why it will go, so let me show you. Okay, see, why that will go down is, let me show you, right. See, people who might have went long here, right, obviously they will exit their position here. Okay, so who might have went for like put selling, right, they'll capture this thing, they see that there is a resistance, so market can come down. So maybe someone is very good at price action, so what they will do, they'll sell the put here, they will exit here. The moment they exit here, right, what happens, we'll see. So now why did we see this one fall in almost all this strike is simple, right? You have to answer that question to yourself. So what is happening here? So people who might have went long here, sold put, they might have exited here. That's the reason there is a drastic decrease in put. people who might have went short here, right, maybe selling this short, so they might have exited with loss, or people who might have went short here, let's say short here, so they might have exited their position with loss, or they might have exited their position with the profit. You're getting my point. Let's see, I cannot explain you each and everything, so this is the way this happens. So net what you have to do is, like, from this position, from 9:15 or 9:20 till your 3 p.m, right, this is where this will help you. So ignore this part. From 9:15 to 9:20 is very volatile, right, profit booking, the loss booking, people who went like overnight call sell position, they'll book. So your actual trading starts from 9:30 till 3 p.m, and even, right, from this area is almost same thing, right? Whoever is doing intraday, so they will be like either booking their profit, or else they will be like locking, booking their losses. So this area is very important, especially for the intraday. How does this help the positional trader? Boss, you have to answer that question. Now you guys tell me, how does this help the positional trader? This is a secret weapon for all the option, for all the intraday. But how does that help? Let's say this leg is my one of my leg in my trade. So if the put is going up, right, should I bother about my downside? You guys tell me. If there is a, see, from here till okay, let me delete everything. From here till here, I see that put is continuously going up. Okay, do I need to think about my downside? Let's say I have a iron fly. Let's say I have an iron fly. Okay, market stands somewhere here, and whenever there is a huge put build up, so market is slowly going up, upper side. That's what happens, right? So, and my blue line will keep becoming steep. And so do I need to think about my, my put side? Absolutely no, right? So what I have to think? I have to just think about my call side. So based on this, either see what I'll do on my call side, either I'll go for call buying here, right? If the market is going up, as a buyer, what do you say? We should be an opportunist. Either I'll go for call buying, or else I'll try to add more puts to my trade, because I know market is going up, right? Even though my iron fly is a 4-leg strategy, I would not mind selling one more put, not aggressively, but maybe somewhere like some OTM, deep OTM, so like 30 points or 40 points. The moment I do this, right, whatever extra credit I am getting, so I'll be able to mitigate my loss on the call side. I know market is going towards the call side, so this is a golden opportunity for me to go for 30 points or 40 points in terms of selling the put and trying to mitigate my loss on the call side. Or else, if the market is going up, I can buy the call. The moment I see that the put interest is starting decreasing, and then I'll exit this buy, and then what I'll think, I'll go for shorting a call now. Whenever I see the put interest is coming down, so then I'll go for selling one put. I'm just telling you one or two variations. Okay, I'm just telling you one or two variations. This is the way you can manage your positional trades by using the intraday trade. I do that basically whenever I have the positional trade like iron fly, or my debit spread, or my put debit spread, my ratio spread. Okay, what is my ratio spread? I mean this one, my ratio spread, right? This, based on this, I will manage my positional trades. Got it? This is very important for me. Now I'll put 3 this thing, right? I'll even add this 2 also. But this will become complicated, but even this would help. So this comes with the practice. So I put all ATM with one strike. So this is your ATM, right? ATM, right? This is like one OTM, and this is like one OTM. So what I'll do, I've put everything. So I'll just over and show you, right? Just check. Call, put, call. So who is leading the position? Now slowly I'll over that. I'll not explain you. Just check. Keep checking. Stop asking all the question. I'll open the question. Now streets in again. I'll give you like 2 seconds. Just check who is winning the trade. Race. Put is winning the race. Now slowly the call started beating the race. See now, see, check this. How beautifully. So this will help you in terms of doing the intraday, and also in terms of managing your positional trades. And believe me guys, you'll not find this type of videos anywhere on the YouTube. If you find me, please share with me so that I can increase my knowledge also. That's it. So let's quickly do one thing, friends. Let's quickly do one thing. Let me go to Bank Nifty. One final thing. Okay, let's go to Bank Nifty, and then I'll open up the Q&A session. I'll will not spend more time. I'll show you the Bank Nifty. Okay, I'll show you the market. So now Bank Nifty, right, this is your current day, right, Tuesday 1st November. So we had a gap up, market went up. See this, market went up, retraced, went up, all of a sudden it fall down, and then it went to sideways. This was the market, right? It had a gap up, it went up, it came down, again it went up, right? There was a strong resistance, so market came down, and then it was into sideways ways. Okay, now let me show you. Okay, let me take you to Sensible. I'll go for, stay with me friends, stay with me. This is going to be like very important video. Okay, let me delete. Okay, let me delete all these things. So was this helpful so far, friends? I'm not sure whether people were able to understand. What happened this? Okay, now what I'll do, I'll go to Bank Nifty. I'll say click add new. Okay, but before that, where was the market standing, right? At 9:15, 9:20, market was standing at 41,500. Let's say 41,500. So I'll treat it as a 41,500, right? Where is 41? So I'll go for ATM. We are right? 41,500. Okay, 470, 500, 500. Okay, let's. So now what I'll do, I'll go for 200, right? Because we have it, right? I'll go for this thing, and then I'll go for this one, right? I'll avoid the first OTM because I'll go for this one OTM, 2 OTM. That's it. Okay, I'll click on here. Achha, you're getting echo. Still you're getting echo, friends? See, I'm not at all looking at the Q&A. Please excuse me. I'll come to the Q&A questions. Give me some time. Let me finish the Bank Nifty. Clearly understood. Okay, do you guys have audio issues? Someone said voice is not clear. Can someone please confirm whether is it echoing or do you have any audio issues? Okay, meanwhile let me set up the, okay, 41,500, right? Okay, clear. Okay, not an issue. So 41,500. So I'll deselect all these things. Okay, simple, friends. Now, do you think, do I need to explain you this thing? Right? This thing, see, this thing is call and this is your put. Okay, so we all know why all of a sudden, let's see, I'll tell you, right? Again 9:15. So again I'll show you the market view. This is very important, guys. See, we had a gap up, market went up. So ideally we should, so first until 9:55, 10 o'clock, there should be huge put built up. So basically your call should overtake the, sorry, your put should overtake the call, ideally, right? That's what it has happened. Somewhere it overtook your call, but since from then there was a certain of, it came down and it went up, but from maybe from 11:50 or 12 o'clock we should see there should be huge call built up. That's what we see, right? See, now call is leading, put is second. Slowly I'll make you to see, even here your call is leading, your put is second. The moment, see, somewhere here your call has overtaken the, your put has overtaken the call. Now what happened? So until, see, check this here. Now you see the huge put built up. There was a sideways market. See this entire thing. Though your put has overtaken your call, so just check the open interest, but still put was leading your call. But from here, the moment we have the crossover, what was it? 12:15, right? 12:15. There was a huge expansion in the call built up. See, from 4.3 million, check, it is going to, it made almost like 5. And needless to say, right? So that's what, whenever we have the crossover of 12:15, check your market at 12:15. That's what I said here. Somewhere from here, market started falling, and then end of the day it made a sideways. So see, now that's what I told you, right? Every time, why there is a fall here? Simple, right? Why there is a fall? And this is bound to happen because this is where I think this should be your 3 p.m. or 2 p.m. That's where, see, check, because I'll show you one more time. Why there's a drastic? So people, right, who went long here, they would have exited here. People who went short here, they might have exited somewhere here, they might have exited somewhere here, right? They might have exited here. People who went long here, they might have exited here, or else people who went long here, they might have exited the trade with their stop loss, with the loss here, because they went long in the sense like sold put. Market went up, they did not book the profit, suddenly market came down, so they will exit here. So that's what happened at the 3 p.m. Either they will book their profit or they will book their losses. That's the reason we see a steep fall from 3 p.m. to 3:30. This is where either profit booking or profit loss booking. From year to year, either profit booking or loss booking. Simple. Or else you will find some new trades getting deployed. You know, right? People who go for like, I mean, they're like overnight traders, right? They deploy the trade at 3:20, and the next day morning during this volatile market, they will book their profit or they'll start booking their losses. That's the reason I keep telling, like, do not do any adjustments till 9:30. All right. And last 30 minutes would be like more of profit booking and everything. So your trading should be between this 2 time period. All right. So I think friends, okay, let me again final last 2 minutes, friends, last 2 minutes. So let me select all these things. So then you will get a good clarity. Okay, that's it. See, now I'll put the cursor here. So you can do this activity. Check this strike. What was that? 41,500. Right? Though you have put as breached as a crossover, but from here it took the complete control. That's it. Because market was falling during the second day. That's the reason you see more of fall built up. And how is this going to help your position trade? Boss, you need to ask that question to yourself. I've shown you everything, right? If you want, we can have a follow-up session also, because within 30 minutes I cannot explain everything. But I think I've done my best in terms of explaining you, because this is not a straightforward topic. And I'm doing this live. Even I might have done some mistakes, friends. Honestly, I'm telling you, even I. Okay, sorry guys. Still echo. I think almost we're done with the session, friends. Almost we're done with the session. We have one more session, which is your what is that? Your fundamental analysis. We can get that done in tomorrow's session. But do you have any other questions? Let me know if it's still echo. I'll put my other earphone. Still, do you see the ego problem, friends? Still, do you see the problem? Okay, let me unplug this thing and let me plug the other earphone. Is it audible now, friends? Is it audible now? Because I've just unplugged the original other earphone. Is it audible now? I'm not sure why it is echoing. I think anyways we're done with this session. So just in case if you have any Q&A session, we'll take that. Still echo? Yes. Achha, you mean to say better? Okay, sound is okay. Okay, good. All right, friends. So now it's already right 10:20, right? So next, how was the session? So do you need a follow-up session on this multi-strike? I know this is very complicated. See, not complicated. Whenever someone is starting, maybe this might be like very complicated, but the moment you get used to it, right? You have to practice it. See, by watching just this video, this would anyways not help you. You have to do more of practice, right? From tomorrow, ensure that you are having this multi-strike OI in front of your machine. whatever trade you have deployed, just put it and start practicing. Even you do paper trading, I'm not telling you to do the original trading, but if someone is interested in terms of doing the intraday, this would help them for sure. This will 100% help them. Okay. Any other questions, friends? Fundamental analysis we'll take that tomorrow. I think that's a very small topic. Tomorrow what I'll do, I'll try. So do you need a follow-up session on this multi-strike? Can we have one more follow-up session, or is it sufficient? If you want, I can have a one more follow-up session. Let's revise tomorrow one more time, or let's see if I can come up with some good points. Need for the follow-up sessions on the multi-strike. Yeah, it all depends on the majority, right? and before that, I want to tell you one thing. There were like so many people asking me this question, right? I'm unable to place the order in Zerodha and everything, right? Guys, tell me one thing. Yeah, tell me one thing. So okay, let me take you to the open interest. So do you think, see, this is option buying, right? This is deep OTM, deep OTM, deep OTM, deep OTM. How are the other folks are able to sell this option buying? So friends, whenever you go for Zerodha, ensure that you have a sold position and then you have to go for the buy position. Don't ever complain saying that Zerodha is not allowing me to place the OTM. Yes, they have certain benchmark, but you need to have your sold position and then go for the buy position. So there are almost like 9,16,400 people went for buy. So don't you think out of this 9 lakhs, maybe 7 lakhs people might have placed the order through Zerodha? Absolutely, 100%, because majority of the trades are executed from Zerodha. The only thing is like you need to place the sell order and then the buy. So you need to have the margin. So just in case if you have the margin issues, so you have to change the broker. Either go for Upstox or you can go for Angel. I'm using Angel. I do not have any such constraint issues, right? Because capital, my capital is very precious for me. So if I want to save my capital, I have to go for the edges. So without edges, I'll be not able to trade it basically. All right. So friends, I think today we had a very critical session. Basically, I'm not sure whether you guys were able to understand. You have this recorded session. Watch 2 to 3 times. You will get to know for sure. I took the Sensible subscription using Zerodha. My question is, does Sensible allow to log in with multiple? Yes. I mean, you have to check the customer care. They allow basically. They charge some nominal charge. They will allow you to this thing. When can we find the multiple OI chart? Where can we find? Simple was you have to go to this thing. Analyze. Here you have something called multi-strike. Click on this multi-strike OI, and then that will land you to this page. So then you have to just add a new, and then you have to start creating the ATMs. It can be ATM, it can be in the money, it can be deep OTM, anything based on your trade. You have to just put them, but don't complicate. Try to put only 2 to 3. That's it. I mean, if you put more in your starting days, you'll be not able to understand. And guys, this is not the only one thing which you have to definitely. You have to combine this open multi-strike OI analysis with your price action. Friends, believe me, without price action, if you're just relying on this, what did I see? And I'll let you know, right? So there was a strong market went up, came down, market went up. So there is a strong resistance. So you have to combine it with your. So there is it made a sideways, right? It went up, down, went up, down. The moment it had given a breakdown, so then you have to start focusing on these things, right? It came down. See, it came down. It went up, right? Again came down, went up, it came down. So this is making the pattern. So that's what I keep on telling, right? Without price action, I mean, nothing will help you. Even you go for multi-strike, you go for some fancy indicator wherein you'll find with some YouTuber saying that go for this fancy indicator, this will give you buy signal. Nothing will work, friends. Price action, everything is built upon price action. This is simple, right? It went up, came down, again it went up, it got rejected. So this is my price action. There is a resistance, right? So this will become support. The moment it has broken, so what I'll do, I'll think about selling. I'll think about selling calls here, sell call, or else I'll think about buying put. Simple, 2 things, right? Sell call or buying put. Sell call with stop loss, buy put with stop loss. That's it. Capture this thing, capture it. The moment it came, right? Now market came up, so already see market came down, it made a high, it came down, it made a high. So now this will act as my price action. So now I know the moment whenever the market is taking a resistance, I'll go for call sell or put buy. Simple, with a strict stop loss. It came down, Again, if the market goes up, right, I'll go for put sell or call buy. This is the way we have to play with the market. That's it. This is called your price action. Don't just depend on the multi-strike. Multi-strike rate will complement your trade when it is combined with your price action. Guys, learn price action if you want to sustain in the market. If you want the free videos, go back to my YouTube, go back to my site, hybridtrader.in. It's not .com, .in. You have, click on the strategies, you have price action. Click on this price action, you will get with this all this playlist, which is absolutely free, for everyone. There are like 12 videos. I'm just providing you everything for free. Only the paid programmer, they will get only the hand holding, and we will be discussing some pro tips, some signature strategy, but everything is free. Even if you click on this thing, you have price action, iron fly end-to-end series, debit spread end-to-end series, ratio spread end-to-end series, and swing trading. This is one of the video what I'm expecting you all guys to watch this video. Then we will jump start with the swing trading. You have almost your price action, right? What is all about swing trading and everything. Unnecessarily don't complicate your trade, friends. And just in case if someone has not even subscribed for my course, see, simple friends, I can promise you one thing. See, 5,000 is nothing. See, for if 5,000 is huge for you, sorry for saying, but if you want to sustain in the market, right, I'm just charging 5,000. Okay, believe me, this 5,000 you will be able to recover before we you come up with my paid course. If someone still, so there is like next Sunday we have this session. If someone is interested to go for my paid training, click on this training. Alright, so this will get you to this. You have the options syllabus and you have the swing trading syllabus. If you want to go for both, you have to pay 7,500. If you want to go for only swing or only for option, you have to go 55,000. Click on this thing. This will take you back to the your payment link. That's it. This is open only for 2 to 3 days, because anyways we are going to start the session from November 6th. Okay, you need to change the broker by writing to Sensible. Okay, I've not seen any question. I took the Sensible. You need to proper guide how to use the Sensible. Sensible doesn't allow multiple broker cycles. Yeah, see, those type of questions you can just talk with the Sensible brokers. So any questions pertaining to the strategy. So if you guys like the video, please do not hesitate to like the button, and also put some comments, right? So you guys are watching the video, at least if you put some comments saying that this video was helpful, right? I mean, you got to know some good new things to know, right? I mean, you haven't heard about the call unwinding. I've shown like 3 to 4 examples. Why do we see like huge call or put built up at the OTM, right? I've shown you like example. Right, we have discussed about multi-strike and everything, right? Write the comments, friends. I mean, just you're watching the video and just leaving without writing the comments, right? I mean, unless and until I get some good comments, even if it is like bad comment, write it, but with data points. It cannot be blunt statement. Education is quarterly, but not educating is quarterly. We make losses, which is costly. Wow. Is there any options buy strategies? Yes. Rick, I'm not sure whether you're part of my paid training, but I'll show you a unique way of option buying. That you are going to enjoy anytime. See, that's what, don't do the traditional things. I'm going to teach you. Already have a free video if you guys can get that. I mean, on top of that, we are discussing how to go with naked buying, then how to convert them to strategies without deploying huge capital. That's it. The capital will be like as good as the option buying. Let's say you're using like 10,000, the capital required is only double of it, 20,000. That's it. But I'm not a pure options buyer. Don't expect me in terms of doing the intraday and everything. I'm a positional, right? Even you guys have to be like positional with having the knowledge of option buying. Don't rely only on option. Option buying requires special skill set. You have to find the momentum. But if you are good at finding the momentum, you would have not even watched my video. Honestly, I'm telling. If someone is making a price action video, not even attend that video, because I know I'm very good at my price action. My price action is working miracle. I don't want to spoil. I don't want to unnecessarily create the problem for my own system. My price action is working. I'll not even watch any video of other guys. Yeah, if there is some new content which I want to learn, I'll watch, but I'll not watch the price action. So that's what. If you're very good at price action, you should not be as part of this group also, because you are a pro trader. That's it. right? If I cannot attend all the paid sessions, will I be able? Yeah, definitely you'll be able to get the recorded sessions provided you guys are not sharing with your friends. And guys, I'm coming up with a website so wherein you guys will be getting all the access. So give me, that's what. See, it is not something like even I'm putting some of the whatever what do you say, the training fees I'm getting, that I have to go for what is Zoom, and also I'm going with one website, right, wherein I'm just talking with the developers. I'm just planning to come up with a website. You guys are going to enjoy that website. It will make your job very easy. It is not even required for you to go to Google Drives. I'm just coming up with a website so wherein you can just watch all my recorded sessions on the website. It will be like pretty much organized. Okay, so maybe I'm not sure. Yeah, maybe within the next 5 days I'm planning to come up with that website. But just in case if that gets extended, let's see. But definitely, in another like 5 or 10 days, you'll be getting with the website. All right, friends. I think it's already 10:30. So can we conclude the session? Okay, then. If there are no other questions, so thank you, guys. Thank you for, and tomorrow let's have a very interesting. So definitely tomorrow we'll learn about the fundamental analysis. I think there are like a couple of folks who are asking the fundamental analysis. That is going to be like very interesting, and I'll make you train in such a way that that video within 2 minutes you'll be able to do the fundamental analysis. That's it. I'll show you only the what all the important parameters you have to check to do the fundamental analysis. It is a very good free website wherein you'll be able to do the fundamental analysis within 2 minutes. That's it. But all important part. I'll not take you to technical details like what is PE ratio, that ratio. That we will see what is the entire. See, okay. Let's wait for tomorrow's session, right? All right, chalo the friends. Okay, good night. So just in case if someone wants to still join my course, right? You have another like 2 to 3 days, right? Anyways, the registration will close on Saturday. All right, if required, please refer your friends. So along with you, right? Even your friends should get that knowledge, right? Please feel free to refer to your friends for this options or swing trading or combination of both. Okay. All right then, friends. Thank you. Thank you for watching my session. I think it's already 10:30. So let's meet tomorrow. Let's catch up tomorrow. Bye.